Here I am going to explain the D sum D. What is the question is given here? Minus 110 into 27 into 13 into 0. Here one thing you have to observe, when you are multiplying more than two numbers, if any number in those group of numbers is 0 is there, means when you find 0 in the question means that all the answer, the total answer will be 0. The total answer will be 0. Why? Because we have zero fact property, no? Zero fact property, what that is saying, when you are multiplying any number with 0 or any number is multiplying with 0, then we will get the 0 as answer. So, what we will get answer here, put 0 is enough. So, D sum, in the D sum 1 0 is there, that is why we have to put 0 for the answer. So, no need to do the multiplication. So, now I am going to explain G sum here. G sum is given like this, 125 into minus 55 and next plus minus 125 into 45. Question is given like this. So, when here you can observe 125 is common in both terms. Here two terms are there, plus is there, no? Before the plus is one term, before that after the plus is one term. So, here in these two terms we can we observe that 125 is common in both. So, here you can take 125 as common according to distributive property. According to distributive property, what is distributive property is saying? A into B plus A into C are there, means we can write A in the first, A into B plus C, we can write like this. A into B plus A into C are there, means A into B plus C we have to write. Here A means 125. A means A is the common number in both terms. So, A is 125. We can write A 125 outside of the bracket and inside of the bracket minus 55 plus of minus 45. Why we wrote minus 45 here? Here only 45 is there, but why we are writing minus 45? Here minus 125 is given here, but we took 125 as common. Here minus we did not take out the as common, so that this minus will be transferred to the 45, so that we have to write minus 45 there. Okay, I am going to close this bracket like this. So, next, so 125 into, so here we have to open the brackets, minus 55 minus into plus minus 45. Here 125 into minus means when we are adding or subtracting two negative integers, means when we are adding two negative integers means we have to add those two numbers and we have to put negative symbol for the answer. So, here minus 100 will be the answer. After this, here plus 125 is there, here minus 100 is there, so that plus into minus, minus 125 into 100 means what we have to write? 125 we have to write first and put two zeros after this. Then you will get the answer, 12,500 minus 12,500 will be the answer. Okay, understood? So, now I am going to explain the fifth question. Write the correct integer in the blank. Here blanks are given, we have to write the correct integer. So, in fifth Roman, A I am going to explain, A. So, here minus 4 into dash is equal to 100. Here question is given like this. So, which number we have to write in this blank, then we will get the 100 as the answer. So, here 4 is there. What should be multiplied to 4, then we will get 100. In 4 table, where we will get 100 as the answer? 4 25 is 100, we can write to 25 here. Here 25, but which 100 we have to get? Plus 100 we have to get. So, here minus 4 is there. So, here plus 25 means we will get minus 100 as answer. So, that we must put minus for 25 also, then the minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 25, 100. Like that you have to think and write the answer. Now I am going to explain about the B sum. B sum is given like this: minus 5 into minus 5 into dash is equal to 625. So here we have to multiply which number should be multiplied to this number, then we will get 625 as answer. So here I am going to explain this in 2 steps. Minus 5 into minus 5 into dash is equal to 625, and next minus 5 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 25, we will get the answer. Then what should be multiplied to this plus 25, then we will get the 625 as answer. 25 is a 625. So plus 625 plus 25, we have to write the answer plus 25. So why? Because we must get the plus 625 as answer, so that plus 25 is already here, we have to multiply with again plus 25. To plus into plus will become plus, and 25 into 25 will become 625. Okay, we have to do like that. So all of you see here, I am going to explain the fourth C sum. C sum in C, 4 into 5 into 9 is equal to 4 into 9 into dash. Already we know that according to the commutative property, when we are multiplying any integers in any order, any integer in any order, any 3 or more integer, 2 or more integers in any order, we will get the same product. So here 3 integers we are multiplying, here also we have to multiply the 3 integers only. So which number is missing here? 5 is missing. So when we have to multiply with 5 with this product, then we will get this product as answer. Okay. So next one. So now I am going to explain the 8th question. You can see in your textbooks. See here, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 4 degrees per hour. Here the room temperature is 40 degrees is there already. So it is decreasing every 1 hour after 4 degrees will be decreased. 4 degrees Celsius will be decreased from 40 degrees. What will be the room temperature after 12 hours? So what will be the room temperature after 12 hours of this process begins? So so from the beginning of this process, what will be the temperature after 12 hours he is asking. In the question you can observe what is the room temperature. So room temperature before freezing process starts is 40 degrees centigrade. Decreasing rate of temperature 4 degrees Celsius per hour. For every hour the temperature will be decreased 4 degrees. So the temperature will be decreased after 12 hours. What will be the after 12 hours? The temperature will 12 into 4. 12 into 4, every 1 hour 4 degrees will be decreased, no. So that 12 into 4, 48 degrees it will be decreases. 48 degrees of Celsius of temperature will be decreases. Actually the room temperature is 40 degrees. The room temperature after 12 hours is 40 degrees minus 48 degrees. So 40 degrees already temperature is there, and 48 degrees of temperature is decreased by 12 hours. So minus 8 degrees, the temperature of room at now after 12 hours minus 8 degrees it will be there. Okay, understood? So remaining sums all of you try to do yourself, and in the next video we will discuss about the divisions of integers. Divisions of integers, properties of divisions, these things we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.